Hello, welcome to my student support system. In today's class, we will discuss about a national health program, that is UIP. This lecture is in English, and if you want to study in Hindi, just click on I button and you will get link of Hindi lecture, or you can directly visit to channel my student support system. What is UIP? The WHO officially launched a global immunization program to protect all children of the world against 6 vaccine preventable diseases that are diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, polio, tuberculosis, and measles. In May 1974, it was known as Expanded Program on Immunization, or EPI. In India, EPI was started in 1978. In October 1985, the program was modified as Universal Immunization Program, or UIP, by WHO, and it was sponsored by UNICEF globally. India launched this UIP in November 1985. In India, it was to be implemented in phased manner to cover all districts in the country by the year 1990. Objective of this program: the main objectives of Universal Program on Immunization is to prevent children from vaccine preventable diseases by 100% coverage. Other objectives include reduction in maternal and child morbidity and mortality. Activities under this program are directed towards achieving acceptable, affordable, and sustainable standards of health through an appropriate health system. Provision of universal immunization for children against vaccine preventable diseases is one of the major activity under this program. Maintenance of cold chain is very important activity of this program. Cold chain is a system of storing and transporting vaccines at recommended temperature. Normally it is 2 to 8 degrees centigrade from the point of manufacture to the point of use. India has built a vast cold chain infrastructure to ensure that only potent and effective vaccines reach millions of the beneficiaries across the country under UIP. Another important activity of this program is the safe injection practice. To ensure safe injection practices, Government of India recommends to ensure continuous supply of injection safety equipment such as auto-disable syringes, reconstitution syringes, hub cutters, and waste disposal bags. Next activity is AEFI surveillance. AEFI means adverse effects following immunization. AEFI surveillance monitors immunization safety, detects and responds to the adverse events following immunization, corrects unsafe immunization practices, reduces the negative impact of the event on health, and contribute to the quality of immunization activities. Staff training is also an important aspect of UIP. Trainings are conducted for vaccinators to use safe injection practices as on-job training. Training of cold chain handlers is also an important activity under this program. On-the-job training or in-service training for biomedical waste management is also provided to the staff from time to time. Strategic communication. It refers to policy making and guidance for consistent information activities through coherent messaging. The issue of media advocacy, proactive planning, and effective media response is emerging as one of the key elements of strategic communication. Support to achieving full routine immunization coverage in the country. Thank you students for watching this video. You can subscribe the channel for latest updates. You can like Facebook page, and you can write your notes by visiting mynursingstudents.blogspot.com. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and join Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.